If you want reliable prints at home or in a studio, this video makes choosing simple. We compare build volume, motion systems, print speed, layer resolution, materials, bed leveling, HOTEN type, enclosure options, and connectivity to highlight the best 3D printers for beginners and pros. You'll learn how direct drive versus Bowden auto bed leveling and slicer support affect results and safety. Expect buying tips, pros and cons, and proven picks so you can print faster, cleaner, with fewer hassles. If you want to see the price and find out more information about these products, you can check out the links in the description below. And make sure you like the video, subscribe our channel, and hit the bell icon for future updates. Without further ado, let's get started with the list. Starting our list with number 5, we have the ELEGOO Neptune 3 Pro 3D printer. If you want a dependable low-noise printer that's easy to live with, the ELEGOO Neptune 3 Pro delivers smooth results with minimal fuss. Its 225 by 225 by 280 mm build volume fits everyday projects, while an STM32 motherboard and silent stepper motors keep motion precise and sound levels around 47 decibel. Great for home or shared spaces. With the main parts pre-assembled and a full toolkit included, you're ready to print in minutes. You'll get consistent extrusion where it matters most. The dual-gear direct drive extruder with a 3:1 ratio grips filament firmly for steady flow and fewer slips, reducing under-extrusion and helping fine details land cleanly. Setup stays simple and first layers stay reliable. 36-point auto bed leveling dials in your surface automatically and smart safeguards, filament runout sensing, and power loss resume protect longer or complex jobs from small setbacks. The HOTEN is tuned for uptime. A titanium throat tube resists heat creep, a brass nozzle delivers clean lines, and a widened aluminum heatsink improves thermal control. Paired with the front-mounted part cooling fan, you'll see sharper overhangs, better bridges, and fewer clogs on faster or longer prints. If you're prototyping, building functional parts, or tackling creative builds, the Neptune 3 Pro gives you the quiet operation, reliable first layers, and worry-saving features that help you finish more prints consistently and confidently. At number 4, FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M 3D printer. If you want ultra-fast results without the fiddly setup, the FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M makes high-quality printing feel effortless. One-click automatic bed leveling dials and flawless first layers so you skip shims and get reliable adhesion from the start. Speed is its superpower. The Core XY motion system drives up to 600 mm per second with 20,000 mm per second squared acceleration, up to 12 times faster than typical printers, so you can iterate designs, approve prototypes, and deliver parts in a fraction of the time. A high-flow nozzle and rapid 35-second warm-up to 200 degrees Celsius keep that pace consistent across jobs. You'll spend less time wrenching and more time printing. Swap nozzles in about 3 seconds, choose the size you need, and pop parts off the dual-sided polyetheramide build plate with ease. Dual-fan nozzle cooling and vibration compensation help preserve sharp edges, smooth walls, and accurate dimensions, even at higher speeds. The 280 degrees Celsius direct extruder broadens your material options while maintaining steady, dependable extrusion. Day-to-day, control is simple. Use the FlashMaker mobile app for real-time monitoring and smart operation, whether you're across the room or out of the studio. The metal and PC construction adds durability for continuous use. If you're ready to move from ideas to finished parts faster, without sacrificing surface quality or dimensional accuracy, the Adventurer 5M gives you the automation, speed, and consistency to keep projects on schedule and clients impressed. Number 3, we have the Creality K1 SE 3D printer. If you want pro-level speed without sacrificing print quality, the Creality K1 SE puts rapid iteration within reach. Its lightweight Core XY motion system flies up to 600 mm per second with 20,000 mm per second squared acceleration, so you can move from idea to finished part in hours, not days, while still keeping edges crisp and surfaces clean. You'll get dependable extrusion on a wide range of materials. The flagship K1C grade extruder uses a side spring and ball plunger to grip filament precisely, preventing slip on fast moves and enabling flexible thermoplastic polyurethane alongside everyday polylactic acids and tougher plastics. A filament runout sensor steps in with timely alerts to cut waste and failed jobs. The HOTEN is built for heat and durability. A tri-metal nozzle resists wear and blocks heat creep, and the 60-watt ceramic heater wraps the Hot-10 to reach 300 degrees Celsius in about 75 seconds. Fully melting acrylonitrile butadiene styrene and other high-flow filaments for ultra-fast layers. High speed needs a solid foundation, and the K1 SE delivers. A die-cast aluminum frame with corner gussets and dual crossbeams minimizes vibration, keeping tall prints steady at pace. Setup is painless. One-click auto-calibration, including Z-offset, gets you printing without shims or calibration paper, so you can focus on models, not menus. If you're ready to ship more prototypes and cleaner finished parts, with fewer do-overs, the K1 SE combines speed, precision, and reliability to keep your queue moving and your results consistent. At number 2, FLASHFORGE AD5X Multi-Color 3D Printer. If you want bold multicolor prints without slowing your workflow, the FLASHFORGE AD5X delivers speed, stability, and convenience in one machine. Its advanced multicolor system lets you print up to 4 colors at once, so you can add branding accents, visual cues, or artistic gradients directly in a single job. No hand painting or part swapping. You'll spend less time babysitting prints. The intelligent filament system automatically detects low or empty spools and manages refills, reducing interruptions and helping long, complex jobs finish reliably. That means you can stay focused on modeling and iteration instead of mid-print filament changes. Performance is built in for rapid prototyping and polished final parts. With print speeds up to 600 millimeters per second and acceleration up to 20,000 millimeters per second squared, you can move from first draft to finished piece much faster while maintaining crisp details and clean surfaces. The all-metal Core XY structure keeps motion precise and consistent. By minimizing vibration and racking, it helps deliver smooth walls, sharp corners, and accurate dimensions, even on taller or more intricate geometries. Day to day, you'll feel the difference. Fewer pauses, quicker turnarounds, and color-rich results straight off the bed. If you're an artist, designer, or maker who wants to elevate prototypes and display-ready parts with reliable multicolor capability, the AD5X gives you the speed, automation, and mechanical rigidity to ship more ideas with confidence. And finally, the number 1 of our list, ELEGOO Saturn 4 Ultra 16K Resin 3D Printer. If you want pro-level resin prints without the learning curve, the ELEGOO Saturn 4 Ultra 16K helps you hit detail, speed, and consistency in one setup. The ultra-high 16K resolution captures crisp edges, smooth surfaces, and lifelike textures, so your minis, prototypes, and models look clean straight off the plate. You'll spend less time troubleshooting and more time creating. The intelligent tank heater keeps resin at a steady 30 degrees Celsius to improve fluidity and layer adhesion, reducing bubbles, layer separation, and failed jobs while boosting overall success rates. An AI camera continuously monitors prints and sends instant alerts for issues like an empty build plate or warping, and the built-in chamber light makes quick checks easy day or night. Want to share your process? Use time-lapse to capture builds automatically. Setup is straightforward. Automatic leveling eliminates manual tweaks, and the guided workflow feels intuitive from the first print. Advanced tilt-release technology peels layers quickly and cleanly, enabling print speeds up to 150 millimeters per hour without sacrificing detail, so you can turn around intricate designs faster. Built with a durable acrylonitrile butadiene styrene, aluminum, and polycarbonate construction, the Saturn 4 Ultra 16K is made for dependable daily use. If your goal is to produce exquisite, repeatable results with less fuss, whether for hobby, cosplay, or small batch production, this printer gives you the precision, automation, and speed to deliver more wins in less time. As always, you will find all the links of these products in the description below. Comment below and tell us which 3D printer you are considering. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, then like and share this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more amazing videos like this.